We'll guide you through the seamless water loop in CapCut PC. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are in CapCut PC, and so you want to make the seamless water loop effect. We're going to guide you through this step by step. To get started, add in the clip into your timeline. You want to go and adjust it to the part you want to do it with, so you can click and hold the start and end point to adjust that like so to your liking. Now what you need to do is go and hold Alt on your keyboard, click, hold and drag on the clip, and you want to go and overlay it by around a second, like so. Place your playback cursor at the start of the overlay, go into the top right video basic and find blend, set the opacity to 0% and press the add keyframe button to the right. Now what you need to do is go and move the playback cursor to where the bottom clip ends and make sure the opacity is set back to 100. It should automatically add another keyframe. Now go to the start of the original clip and you want about a second, a little bit more or less, it doesn't matter, and make a split by pressing Ctrl B or pressing the split button. Then click and hold this clip and drag it over the other overlay like so. You can go and have it just so it overlays a little bit, it doesn't matter. And then you want to have the playback cursor on it, set the opacity to 0. Then you can move the playback cursor to the end of the overlay beneath it, and you want to make sure it's set to 100 before it goes and ends. Click, hold and drag to select them both like this. And you want to make sure the keyframe is over the bottom one like this. Then you can play it back and it should be seamless. Click, hold and drag to select it, right click, create compound clip, click on it, hold Alt, and you can keep duplicating it and make more compound clips.